There's a timeline of when we've experienced avian influenza before. In 2017, South Africa had a flare-up of bird flu, which caused an egg shortage and saw the industry kill about 4.7 million hens, or 20% of the national flock. Earlier, we spoke to the SA Poultry Association, who said South Africa kills around 18 million birds a month, so this is not a cause for concern. In April 2021, on the 13th, an outbreak of avian influenza on a commercial farm in Gauteng was discovered, and the AI outbreak has resulted in a ban on exports from South Africa to 4 SADC nations. Of course, we're all getting these graphics from Chicken Facts, who sent them to us a little bit earlier on today. Let's continue taking a look at some of the facts around this latest avian outbreak. Avian influenza hits a new regional and commercial chicken farm in Randfontein, Gauteng on the 3rd of May. On the 6th of May 2021, the 5th national case of avian flu is reported, and on the 20th, 10 cases of avian influenza detected across broiler farms in South Africa. The SA Poultry Association saying, although there is cause for concern, they have learnt lessons from the 2017 outbreak and now know what to do in terms of trying to control and ensure safety of the birds, saying if there is an influenza outbreak detected at a farm, no chickens are allowed to leave. They kill them on site and get rid of anything that could contaminate. Let's continue taking a look at the facts around this influenza outbreak that's currently taking place in South Africa, and also look at the trade implications. As we know, we've been banned from those 4 SADC countries. In 2017, imports accounted for more than 20% of domestic consumption, so there were lower production volumes resulting in higher import volumes but limited price impacts. What the SA Poultry Association is saying that for now, imports and exports don't have that much of an effect. They are not that concerned. They've culled about 1 million birds so far, and they say that this is not a concern or reason for panic. They don't even believe that we will experience food shortages, egg shortages, or the like, because they believe that the avian influenza is not going to spread as much. Of course, we know that we've got relationships with Brazil and the United States of America when it comes to the importing of chicken under the AGOA agreement in the USA, and we import a lot of birds from Brazil. So let's continue taking a look at what's taking place in terms of poultry and where we are now. The presence of that variant has been confirmed at a poultry farm after around 300 birds had died in the first week of April. We know that so far, 1 million birds have been culled in South Africa. The SA Poultry Association earlier on saying to us, it's not a cause for concern. If you take a look at the number of birds that are killed for consumption anyway, saying it's under control. We also asked about the safety aspect of it. We know that sometimes the influenza can go to humans as well. There have been concerns about that jump. SA Poultry Association saying to us earlier on, there is no need to worry about that contamination in terms of what's going to end up on our plates, saying that there is not a need to worry about that for now. Chicken Facts earlier on saying to us, though, as well, if you are a little bit worried about the possibility of anything coming onto your plate, make sure you cook your chicken very well. That's just an update on what's happening in terms of that avian influenza.